So, hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one, we're going to be doing a MK3 RS brake conversion on st225. Going to show you maybe a step-by-step of how we're doing it. We've got this complete kit from PumaSpeed. Pretty cheap. What was it, 900 quid?
990.
No, 990. Posted, eventually. Little dig there. Which can be about between £400 and £500 cheaper than a set of K-Sports, which in value is pretty good because the RS runs a 350mm disc, whereas a K-Sport disc is 356, so you're not actually gaining that much. And the RS ones are an 8-pot as well. 8-pot? No, fucking 4-pot, sorry. And you do have a choice of either blue or the silver. The blue against the blue car is mega. So as you can see, the difference, and we're doing it on this what can only be described as a high mileage hero. So that's the difference between the standard and the uprated disc on the RS. Very much bigger. I'd say a little bit thicker as well. That's what she said. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to disassemble the standard brakes and then put on the RS brakes, show you what needs to be done for it. So I'll go through it now. You need a 15mm crack bar or something. So undo them just first. Hang them up for now. And then throw that in the bin. Yoink. So what we need to do next is we just need to drill these holes out a little bit bigger. Just because the RS runs a bigger bolt on them. So we'll get the drill them out. I'm going to drill it now. Okay, now. Drill these out to about a 14 or about 14.5mm, which we've got on here, and then the bigger bolt to be able to go in then. So just drilled a hole. Nearly. Just drilled the holes. I'm just going to do a mock up just to make sure it's all right. That goes in. And that goes in. So that's wicked. So Next up, just gonna get the air wheel thingy and just clean up this hub a little bit, get all the rust off it, and then we can start assembling. So just going to chuck on the 5mm spacer first.
Wasn't me. You're unpopular every day. It's just normally on fucking Saturday.
So we're just going to torque up the caliper now, bolts, and the website that I found up to now is it's 80 foot-pound and then 90 degrees.
Yeah.
So we'll go for that. Shit. You sure you're going now, Darren? So next up we got the pads. Aaron decided to go for the Frodo upgrades on them, a little bit better. So we're just going to lube them up and throw them in, literally. So freaking low. Too fat. Then you want to get your clip, the pins, whatever they're called. I go with pins. Pins. That one in. Just need to get them sort of centered like that. And you got to get the big pin then. This one. Just go through that way. Just got to push that in. Like so. That's a 13mm. And that's that done. Next up we'll do get the brake line off, and then we'll put the new one on. Right, so just going to take the old brake line out. And this stupid clip.
Me that time.
I know. Get these off, you need it's a 17 on the top and 11mm on the bottom. Whichever way it is. The bin. Next up, I'm going to put the braided line on. I'm going to put it on the caliper size first and then just nip it up. The other way. I'm just going to nip line up first, stop it from leaking. Son of a bitch. Goddamn fell. brake cleaner. Yeah. Good for my house. Remember which way these go. That way. Okay, so hammer. Jabbly jabbly. So, because the Mark III runs a little bit different on the, like the grommet thing that goes into the shock that holds it in, all we're going to do is just put that in to where it should normally go and then zip tie it in. I think that's the only way of doing it really. I've still got plenty of room to move about. There we go. All complete. All we're going to do now is just bleed it. So now it's time to bleed the brakes. So we've got fluid in, ready. Got Mr. Aaron here doing some pumping away. And let's get them bled. No, never do I.
Feel that fucking 10 mil, it always is.
It's 11 on these. Found it over by here.
Over there by here?
Yeah, over here. Right, make pumpy. Okay, hold it down.
Down.
Bollocks. Right, make pumpy. And down.
Down.
Okay, let off. up. Come out, will you? Make pumpy. Okay, down.
Down.
Okay, pumpy. Okay, down.
Down.
How's that feel? Spongy. Is it? Right, we've done this side, now we're going to do the other side, but I'm not going to film that because it's just boring. We're probably going to do each side probably twice, just to make sure there's no air bubbles coming out. And then that'll be it. So there we go, all complete, all done. Absolutely sexy as fuck.
Why?
I meant filming you. You're doing something.
Shut up.
Shut up, Meg.
There, done, saving weight.
It's good enough for the olden days, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just put 3 in it, any good, it's good enough for any Citroen.
And the smart car.
Yeah.
And some maniac Peugeots.
Oh, you mean Vauxhall drivers?
Wow, they've gone to Peugeots now?
Yeah, Vauxhall Peugeot now, isn't it?
Don't know.
They're all fucking idiots, aren't they?
Boom!
On tip table. And you want the 19, not the 17.
Oh, right, right. The other one.
One. Oh no, can't believe we're using impact.
Deal with it.
Yeah.
Done.
Oh yes indeedy.
Oh, fuck that, honey.
Where did he try to turn? There's no road there.
Just try to turn back into that one.
Use your power, get it down, man.
So look, it's got a diff lock, just fucking
Yeah.
put it on and keep going.
I don't know what
Anyway.
to do. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, so we're now done complete test drive. I'll just go for it full send.
Just fucking go for it full send,
Full send sound. What do you think of that kit?
So I could fit like,
Yeah, I think for so if you didn't buy the spacers, it would have been 940.
Yeah.
Which is, I think, quite reasonable. I think it's pretty good considering what they look like.
400 saving on K Sports and
yeah,
less of a weight.
Less of a weight. I don't know. The discs are pretty heavy.
No, as in waiting time.
Oh well, yeah, waiting time. Yeah, I think they're a pretty good disc. So pretty good setup. Can't go wrong really. And I think maybe when this video goes out, a lot more people are going to be interested.
Yeah.
Or maybe they just don't know about it yet. So they don't know about it, can't do it. So
well, it's not advertised under the 225, is it?
No.
Under
No.
the 250 upgrade.
Yeah, because on the 250 you can just literally bolt them in. Obviously on the 225 there is a bit of a few upgrades, not upgrades, modifications that need doing. Yeah, so still not a bad thingy. So we're going to leave you with that. So if you like the channel, you know what to do.
Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Why can't Ben do it?
Why can't Ben do that? How hard is that? So yeah, so we'll leave you with that, and thanks for watching, guys.